What's up, everybody? It's one Dude Beats here. I'm back with another video, and let's talk about something before I get into this freestyle. So my last couple videos, not my last video, but like my video when I was with my friend Nick, they were cringy. They were very. Wait, hold on. Let me close my door. Wait. Okay, they were very cringy. They were cringy because, like, we tried to do this, like, video within probably 5 minutes. They were so much longer, and we had to try that more than we had to, and it was hilarious. But, I want to also talk about, my friend, napom. What was it? About this. Yeah. I wanted to talk about my friend named Critical Beats. He's really cool. I mean, he beatboxes just like me. And yeah, I've been shouting out people these few days, but I don't care. I love people. Or do I? Okay. But let me get into this freestyle. God, that was cringy. Wait. Okay. Make the world crumble before you. Make the world crumble before you. Make the world crumble before you. Let that thing come before you. Let that thing before you. Let that word become my. Let that word. Earthquake. Let the word tremble before you. Oh, that was all freestyle. I love you guys. I love you guys for supporting you. I want to thank you all for the support. And yeah, subscribe, like, please don't subscribe, like the video, and yeah.